Hello, this is Jim Ham from Porcine Associates. In this video, we're going to disassemble a Dynaview to see if we can find any connectors that are dislodged due to vibration in shipping. So we'll just jump right into this. Let's look at tools. You'll need a number 1 Phillips and a number 2 Phillips. You also need something to put the Dynaview on. And these two 4x4 sections work well. This is so that when the Dynaview is in this position, these connectors are not on the floor on the table. And also later we'll have to plug in the power supply, and so there's enough room for this power supply when it's upright like this. All right, so let's get right in here. Number 2 Phillips. These are quarter turn fasteners, so just come right off. All right, like this. Here we go. Now this is working. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. Yeah, good. Now, this is the main power connector. Little black one. On some boards, this connector is over here. This is the battery connector. Take that off. Some boards don't have this connector, but we have to take that off if it's present. USB. Unplug that. These are the 2 web connectors for the encoder and the mark sensor. Take those off. All right. Now we get the number 1 Phillips. There's four screws that hold this board down. They all have nylon washers under them. I don't know if you can see this or not. Let's see. Does that work? Yeah. Good. 4 of these out. And now the last one has the ground strap underneath the board. So I'll take the screw out. This has a nylon washer. They all have the nylon washers. And the ground strap. Now there's one more connection at the end of this wire. We don't have to take that off. We just tilt this down. So here, let's see if I can zoom this even more here. All right, that's it right there, I think. This is the board that's may be loose. It's retained by 2 nylon retainers, but I've seen it where it has come slightly off the board underneath it. So it's hard to know with the camera here, but you can look under here with a strong light. You can look at the connectors. There's one on both sides. You just push down, and if it goes, when you push down, it takes quite a lot of force. When you push down, if it actually seats, if you can feel it seating, you found a problem. Now, whether it's the only problem, I don't know. But so once that once you're satisfied that is seated, again, it's good to look at it with a light, maybe a mirror, and make sure that's down. Now we can put the thing back together again. Just what we did here, but in reverse. This back up here. Make sure you got the nylon washers underneath the screws. I just put them down loosely. And once we get all 4 of them in, then we'll tighten them down. 1, 2, 3. And this one has the ground strap underneath it. So it goes underneath the board. So screw, nylon washer, board, ground lug, and then the standoff. There we go. tighten them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I have to put all these connectors back. Put this in. This gets tucked underneath the board. That. These two, the web connectors. These with the screws are on the top, so you can't put them in backwards. And they're both, they're different connectors, so you can't do that wrong either. USB, just wind it around once and plug it in, like that. Now, these three, put in the main power connector. Put in this little black one. This is the powers the light and the on-off switch. Don't plug the battery in yet. So everything else is plugged in. So now what we do is turn it on. Plug in the power supply. Right, let me zoom back out again. Zoom out. There we go. Alright, plug in the power supply. And turn it on. Now, once it's on, we can plug in the battery. I don't have any sensors, so it's not going to be very interesting. So at this point we can tighten down the top. Oh, of course, if you see this, you fixed it. If you still just have a white screen, there's something else wrong. So, but in any case, I'm going to assume that you have fixed it. Now we need to put the screws down. Where's my number 2 screwdriver? Here it is. Now, you can align the top with the bottom, and then push down on these things. You can kind of tell when they go in, and then they're quarter turn. And I like to do opposite corners first. There it is. Down. Down. And down. Alright, now, you don't want to turn off the Dynaview until the UPS battery, the internal UPS battery, is charged. And you can tell that. Let me zoom in again. There we go. So you can see that it says 7.37:2. And this represents the state of the internal UPS. Until that last digit is a 3, that battery is not fully charged. And so you want to wait until it says 3. It'll be 6.9 volts, 3. And if the battery is pretty well discharged, it may take several hours. It may take a day. This is a charged battery, so it'll only take 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So leave it on until the last digit says 3, which indicates that it is a charged battery. And then you turn it back off again and it should be fine. So that's it, and good luck with restoring your Dynaview. Bye for now.